Okay, good. This is clay. This is not cement. This is actually clay. So I'm building up a small wall right here. This is one, the oven, which we're going to use as a fireplace at the same time. This one is the oven. Right now, I'm building up a wall right at this moment here. So I'm just giving you guys an idea of how I'm doing it. So instead I use cement, I'm using brick and clay. So alright guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm getting clay to start making the top of the oven. So I'm going to show you the whole process. So now, this is the clay. Alright, so I got a bucket of clay, so I'm going to mix it with some water. Alright guys, so as you see, this is the oven and this is where the fire going to be. Right? So now we're going to cast the top of it, which we're going to put some clay. You see, I now finished mixing the clay. So I'm going to add the clay on top of it. You need a lot more, but I'm just giving you an idea of how I'm doing it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it and I'm going to spread it out. All right, so I got to get more, so this, I'm just giving you an idea. All right. And next one, then I will lay some bricks across, leave out some kind of holes. You know what I'm saying? This works just like cement, believe it or not. Right, so now what I'll do, I'll smooth this up, level it up. Okay guys, these bottles is what where the heat gonna be pushing through. You see what I'm saying? So I'm going to run some brick across like this, but I have to leave. Let me show you what I'm doing here. Right? Okay, so I have to leave these. So when I take out these, the hole is gonna be in the bottom. This piece, we're gonna cut off this piece. Okay. All right, so now you see these gonna be the holes where all the heat gonna be coming through. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to seal up these areas. If you don't have your right shower, you have your hands, guys. Yeah. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get some more clay and I'm gonna smooth it up really nice. But this is gonna be the top, and this way we're gonna be pushing in our bread. All right, so we're gonna come over with the top now over this. All right, guys, so this is the top, and this is where I had the pan in. I take it out. So this one, right, so these gonna be the hole that okay, this one as well. I don't want to leave them in because they're gonna be too hard to come out. So I'm kind of taking them out right now. So guys, these gonna be the holes that the heat gonna be pushing coming up to. All right, so now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start this other one, this other row going around here, just like this. I just want to give you guys an idea of what actually gonna be going on here. You know, it's just an idea I'm giving you guys. Okay, just an idea, guys. So we're gonna go up with our next, we're gonna bring it up more, and then we're gonna bring it up, then we're gonna start making shelf. So I'm gonna bring it up like 3 height, then we're gonna start making shelf. So when the heat comes up to these holes, what's gonna happen, you're gonna come right up and start baking the bread. So let me just show you small idea of what I'm actually doing. Go down here, and then they come down here the same way. Okay, bring this over like this. Basically, that's what we've been going on do. So thank you guys again. This is day 2. This is day 2 in our outdoor kitchen. You know, all right, peace. All right, guys, what's up, what's up, what's up? Well, guys, as you know, this is an outdoor kitchen, and you see what's going on here. We're using the brick for the flooring. So this is one of our oven right here. So you could open and you see the smoke coming on through here. That's our oven. That's where we can bake bread. That's where we can bake yam. Whatever we want to bake, we can bake it right here. Here is where we're going to be putting our sink. This is our sink right here. So we're going to be able to wash our hands and just, you know what I'm saying, do what we're doing right here. We're going to set up a pipe. We might have a container where we got the water draining. We can just wash our hand right here. Here, guys, this is the bigger oven. As you see down here is where we're going to be putting the fire. In this area here,